Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from AgriMetSoft Research Company, and in today's video, I'm here to show you how to calculate mean or average in Excel. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of data that I want to calculate the average for them. And what I will do is to select the cell which I want the result of the calculation to be placed on. Then click to have an equal mark first, as you should have for any functions in Excel. Then I type average. So by double clicking that, it is selected, and here it wants you to select the range or select your numbers. So I can select my numbers and separate them by a comma, and I can select the columns or rows or basically any range that I want. Okay, so I close the parentheses and click enter, and that's the average number for all this data set. So another way to do this is to go to Home tab, Editing Box, and Auto Sum that you can see here, and I want to go to Auto Average. So here, what it does is that so any cell that is select and then go to Auto Average, it calculates the average of the cells behind or above it. So now if I select this cell here and go to Auto Average, it calculates the average of all these cells above it. So now another way to use this function is to select these cells so that I want the average of all these rows. I go to Auto Average, and that's the average of all these cells. I can do the same for this range. I go to Auto Average. So I go to Auto Average, and it just calculates the average of all the cells. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to AgriMetSoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.